What's good, boys? I made a video about 2 months ago talking about one-to-one risk to reward ratios. And this is just an update on that and how my trading has been going since using one-to-one risk to reward ratios. So at the time that I filmed that video, I was in a rut in my trading and I was looking for what I needed to change about my trades in order to be more consistent. And basically, I landed on the idea that if I only take one-to-one risk to reward ratio trades, as long as I have above a 50% win rate, I'll be profitable. So this is my data. I don't have all of the data since I made that video because, to be completely honest, I wasn't being consistent at all in actually journaling my trades. So this is all I've got. But I think we can still learn from it, and I can definitely still learn from it. So basically what all these trades are is all the trades I've taken, and I've got in here the risk to reward ratio that I used. So some of these trades were not one-to-ones, and this solidifies me knowing that if I had just been taking one-to-ones, I would have been profitable this whole time. But instead, I backtracked on myself and wasn't always taking one-to-ones. And that's landed me being only $490 in profit on my account. And this is where it gets interesting. So in here, I've got my basically, balance and my P&L so far with my wins and losses. So for all of the trades in this data, I had a win rate of 60%. That's including the one-to-one trades and the trades where I was shooting for higher. Now, if I was only counting the one-to-ones that I was going for, I would have had a P&L of $1,491. I would have had a win rate of 77%. Now, I know this isn't a lot of data, and with more data and with more trades, that percentage is going to go down. I don't think that I have a 77% win rate, but it's well above 50%, and it's definitely enough to make me realize that I should have been going for one-to-ones this whole time. And so basically, this is all of the trades that I took that were going for one-to-ones, and however much I made is also however much I risked, okay? Now, here, and here, I had a losing streak, and it's safe to say that on this day, I got super tilted, okay? I only had two losing days before this, but I risked $750 on one trade. I didn't even journal it because I was so mad about it. So that's helpful. But that landed me in significant drawdown. I think I was like 1,600 down on the account, and it's trailing. So then I ended up going on a holiday for 3 weeks and came back, gathered myself and thought, all right, I'm in drawdown. I need to fix it. First thing I'm going to do is lower my size. So originally I was risking about 400. Now I'm risking about 250. That was so that I didn't hit my max loss and lose the account, because it's a funded account as well. So then when I got back, I started going just for one-to-ones. And look, I had green day, had a loss, green day. And that just really shows me that if I had just been going one-to-ones this whole time and all of these trades just going for one-to-ones, I would have been a lot more profitable. Now, obviously, some of these would have still been losses, but I know now that I need to go for one-to-ones. The last week or the last 2 weeks, I've been going only for one-to-ones. I've been super consistent, and it's also just been so much easier on my mental health and my just, having anxiety while you're trading. It's just been so much easier, so much more straightforward. There's obviously so many times where I have my draw on liquidity. I think this is where price is going to go, and that might be, way further down. So I could have made way more profit if I left it to that. And sometimes it hits as well. But knowing, okay, no, I'm not going to try and drag this all the way there. I'm just, when I get to that one-to-one, I'm taking my profit. That's what I've been doing, and it's been working out super well for me. I hit that TP and I get off. Done. Don't have to worry about, is one tick away from, hitting that draw on liquidity. None of that. I just go for the 1-to-1, and I just try to be consistent and picky with the trades and shoot for above a 50% win rate. That makes it so much easier in my mind. And I'm not saying that this works for everybody. I think that shooting for higher risk to rewards is way more like entertaining, and it's way cooler to show those trades. But this is what's been working for me. I know it's not a huge set of data, and it's not much data for an update either. But I think you guys sort of get what I'm saying. Using 1-to-1s, I've been way greener and just doing way better overall. I managed to get myself out of, heavy drawdown by doing it, and got myself back up into, 2 trades of profit. So I can't really complain. I will make another further update from here, but I think from now on, this is what's going to happen. From now on, I'm taking 1-to-1 trades and tracking it all. And then I can give you guys better results over a longer period of time. Give 1-to-1s a try. I think you guys will really like it, and I think it's super helpful, especially if you're struggling with that anxiety and fear in trades. Thanks, boys.